Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to Hijabi Bites. Your chef is here with a quick and tasty snack. Today we're making Paratha Roll Snack that everyone will love. Ingredients are simple: 1 frozen paratha, cooked chicken, some fresh veggies, mayonnaise, ketchup, and a little cheese. Step 1. Cook your paratha on both sides until it's golden and crispy. Step 2. Spread a layer of mayo and ketchup for that creamy base. Step 3. Add shredded chicken and colorful veggies like onions, capsicum, and tomatoes. Step 4. Sprinkle a little cheese, then roll it up tightly. And that's it. Your delicious Paratha Roll Snack is ready in just minutes. Crispy outside, cheesy and flavorful inside. Perfect for tea time or kids' lunchbox. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Hijabi Bites for more quick and easy recipes. Jazakallahu khair.